1 year ago, man, today, I bought this thing here. This is a pedal commander. For everybody who hasn't watched my video prior to this one, I have a video where I review this, and my first drive with it, I was pretty shocked because it was throwing me back in my seat. But pretty much, it's been a year since I've had this, and I just want to go over a quick yearly review with you guys because this thing has been great. I haven't had any issues with it. It's been running perfect since I've got it. The only thing I will say is, other than better response and stuff, is it's gonna kill your gas mileage. I was already killing my gas mileage just because I did a muffler delete, so my gas mileage was already shot. After getting the pedal commander, it just destroys your gas mileage even more. So if you're worried about the gas mileage, maybe this isn't for you. But if you don't care too much about it, I mean, it doesn't kill it too much. I didn't average good gas mileage anyway. I only averaged like 260 full tank. With this, ever since I've gotten it, I've been getting like 211, 200 maybe. So I drive pretty sparingly. So anyway, so far it's been great. No issues. I haven't got any engine codes, any type of codes of any sort. So I would think it's pretty reliable. It is $300. It's kind of pricey. I did not pay $300. I got a really good deal from another 200 owner, so it was great. I paid $180 for it, which I think is a really good deal for that. It's an easy install. If you want to see the install, here's the link to my video right here where I first install it and I do a full review of my first drive. But it's been a year, so I wanted to get a year review on it, and it's been working great. I will say start off in city mode because sport mode is kind of touchy. You want to get used to sport mode first before you do a normal city driving in sport mode. I would try sport mode. I would try city mode first. City mode 1, 2, 3, 4 plus is fine. Any of the ones and any minus 1, 2, 3, or 4 is gonna be too slow unless you're trying to save the gas mileage in eco mode. Box is just this little one. I don't think the weird part is I don't think they do the corded one anymore. I've been seeing a lot of people post the like Bluetooth kind of one, which I don't understand how that works, but there's nothing to this. There's a little plug here, but I don't know what that does, to be honest with you. I've never had to use it, but this thing has been great, man. Eco mode, I'll promise you, I've never used eco mode. I probably used it for like a week to see if it really helped. But like I said, the way I drive, I always have to have it in sport or city. Sport plus is just way too much. I've never had a scenario where I've needed sport plus, even like to get a quick little pull at a light or something. Even sport plus is kind of like too much. So sport has been enough. I usually keep it on sport at 1, 2, 3, or 4 plus. I never go in a minus area because the minus area just makes it less touchy, but I really don't care for it. But all in all, man, this thing has been great. Again, 100% reliable, no issues with the car. It's been a full year, 12 months, no issues. I've always had it plugged in. I've never unplugged it. So and it comes on when the car is on. You never have to turn it on and off. If you want it off, you just hold this little start button and it turns it completely off while you're driving. And you'll feel it too. While in motion, if you change the modes, you'll feel the pedal get either heavier or lighter for throttle response. I love it. I've never had an issue with it or anything, and it's been really reliable. It hasn't given me any crazy problems with the car. If anything, it's just made me drive the car even harder. And I've put in more stress on the car itself other than any mechanical or electronical problems. So it's been doing great. Hopefully I enjoyed that video, man. I am out. If you got any questions on that pedal commander, man, shoot me a comment below or Instagram, either or. I answer both on my pages. So just let me know, y'all. Let me see it. Let me know if y'all gonna buy the pedal commander anytime soon for either your car, truck, whatever you drive. I've seen a lot of truck owners buy it too because they said it works pretty good for trucks. But let me know how you think. If this video helps you, just throw a thumbs up, y'all. I'm out, man. Peace.